So here we have, let's see.
This is somewhat terrifying, having this beak so close to my face.
Jake and Alex. And let's see if they do any tricks for you guys. Step up. Good bird. Good. Let's do a flip, guys. You want to do a flip? Flip. Good bird. Oh, no, he wants my chain. This guy, he saw my gold chain. Howie. Look at this. You guys are amazing. Ow. I don't think I've had. I think I've been chosen. Ruby, by Ruby. Ruby, you chose me. So these guys are up for adoption, Alex and Jake. Come say hi to them at the Exotic Bird Store. Beautiful, lovable guys. Please expect to get both parrots if you're going to come adopt these guys because they are pretty inseparable. Crack that open for me, please. Drop it. Drop it. Good boy. You're a good bird. Okay, try this one. Try that one. Can you crack that one open? Huh? Drop it. Drop it. Oh, thank you. Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much. I got my own nut opener right now. You're just cracking nuts for me.